LinkedIn profile that gets you hired. Did you know that recruiters can form an impression of your LinkedIn profile in just a few seconds? That's why having a strong profile is essential if you want to stand out and attract new opportunities. Let's start with your profile photo and headline. Choose a clear, professional photo with good lighting and a friendly appearance. Your headline is just as important. Instead of simply writing student or graduate, use it to showcase your skills and career interests. For example, marketing graduate, digital marketing enthusiast, open to opportunities. A strong headline helps recruiters find you through LinkedIn searches. Next, focus on your About section. Think of it as your personal introduction. Start by explaining who you are, then highlight your achievements, skills, or experiences, and finish by sharing your career goals. Keep it concise, authentic, and relevant to your industry. Including important keywords can also improve your visibility in recruiter searches. Now let's talk about experience and skills. Don't just list job titles. Whether it's an internship, academic project, freelance work, or a part-time job, explain what you accomplished and the value you created. Add relevant skills to your profile and seek endorsements from classmates, colleagues, or mentors. If you've completed online courses or earned professional certifications, be sure to add them to the licenses and certifications section. Recruiters often look for candidates who continuously develop their skills. Another feature that many people overlook is the featured section. Use it to showcase your best work, such as your portfolio, presentations, design projects, research papers, certificates, published articles, or even links to your personal website. Instead of just telling recruiters what you can do, show them. If you've participated in volunteer work, community service, student organizations, or nonprofit initiatives, don't forget to include them in the volunteer experience section. Volunteering demonstrates leadership, teamwork, communication skills, and your willingness to contribute beyond the workplace. Whenever possible, upload examples of your work, such as presentations, reports, designs, or project screenshots. Showing evidence of your abilities makes your profile much more credible. Finally, stay active and build your network. Connect with classmates, alumni, professors, and professionals in your industry. But don't stop there, make LinkedIn part of your weekly routine. Share a post every week about your field, discuss industry trends, share something you've learned, create polls or surveys, and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Consistent activity helps improve your visibility, attracts new connections, and keeps your profile active in recruiters' searches. If you're currently looking for a job, turn on the Open to Work feature. You can choose to display it publicly with the green profile frame, or if you prefer more privacy, select the option that makes your job-seeking status visible only to recruiters. This lets employers know you're open to opportunities without broadcasting it to everyone in your network. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is working for you even when you're not online. A few simple updates today can make a big difference in helping recruiters discover you tomorrow. Start optimizing your profile now and take the next step toward your career goals.